today. I'm James Brits from CE Mobility. We do wheelchair manufacturing. We've now added the Bodor K1 with the K-Trans automatic loader. So far, our experience with the machine has been excellent. Minimal breakdowns. We run a 24-hour shift. Technicians are always ready to help if there's any problems. The loader is a great loader. It's loading within seconds. Precision loading. The K-Trans K1 Bodor machine cuts to precision. We're running tubing from 10mm to 28mm. We cut multiple holes. We're cutting notches. We're cutting straight cuts. And so far everything's been perfect. It's a very efficient machine. It's easy to use. The programming is easy. And we haven't had any hiccups on the machine as yet, any crashes, anything. So it's a very great machine, very precise cutting, very precise loading, and very great service from the Bodor team helping us whenever we get stuck.
Bodor, dare to dream.